Welcome to today's Explainer. Today, we're looking at the digital devices that literally power our daily lives, laptops and phones, and we're going to break down how to really optimize our use of each one. So let's just get right into it.
Think about this for a quick second. Have you ever watched a video on a phone? I mean, it's something most of us do every single day without even a second thought. Okay, let's dive into this.
Now, how about this one? Have you ever seen someone typing away on a laptop? Both of these devices connect to the internet, they display media, and they process information. So, if they can both do all of these things, why on earth do we actually need both?
Section 1. Meet the phone, the small and quick tool.
You see, the phone is just a masterclass in portability. Because it's designed to be held in one hand and slipped right into your pocket or your bag, it is absolutely perfect for quick things. When you're on the go and you just need to get something done right in that exact moment, well, this is for sure your go-to tool.
So the crucial point here is really how we use it daily. Phones handle rapid actions perfectly. We're talking about calling family, chatting with friends, snapping pictures, watching short videos, or, just checking a quick bank alert.
Section 2. Meet the laptop, the big and busy tool.
Unlike the phone, your laptop gives you a wider screen, a full keyboard, and a trackpad. And because of this expanded real estate, it's built for bigger, more complex tasks. The kind of tasks that require time, focus, and, space to really spread out all your digital materials.
Honestly, laptops excel at the heavy lifting. This means typing out full school projects, building really big projects, joining serious online classes, or making presentations. They just give you that necessary visual space to do many tasks at once and actually multitask efficiently.
Section 3. The great analogy. Tiny notebook versus big desk.
And this brilliantly illustrates a really fun way to think about these tools. Your phone? Well, it's like a tiny notebook. It's great for jotting down a quick number or a fast idea while you're standing up. But if you need to build a massive project, you definitely wouldn't try to balance a tiny notebook on your lap, right? You'd sit down at a big proper desk so you can spread out your work. That big desk is your laptop.
Section 4. Try it yourself. Let's draw a table.
Grab a notebook and let's draw a really simple table with two columns, phone and laptop. We've actually started it for you here. So under phone, put quick calling, and under laptop, put typing long essays. Now take a quick moment to think and fill in those blank rows with two more tasks that are perfectly suited for each device.
Section 5. Quick recap. What we learned today. Let's move to see how this builds and bring it all together. Phones are compact. They're built for fast, immediate tasks. Laptops, on the other hand, are bigger and provide the space and power for longer, deeper work. But ultimately, both of these are absolutely wonderful tools that help us learn and process information, just in different ways.
As the saying goes, choosing a device really depends entirely on what you want to do. Neither one is inherently better than the other. If you're running to catch a bus, for sure, the phone wins. But if you're sitting down to design a website or write a huge paper, you absolutely need the laptop.
So the next time you sit down to tackle a digital task, I want you to ask yourself, do I need my tiny notebook or do I really need my big desk? Knowing how to confidently choose the right tool is literally the first step to working smarter. Thank you so much for joining me on today's Explainer, and we'll see you next time.